We have received this iPad Pro. So basically in this iPad Pro, the display has been completely shattered. Also has got some bend over here. We are trying to fix it. So we will replace the original display of this iPad Pro. So come on, let's go to our technician and try to fix it out. Yes, is it ready? Very good, very well. So yes, the display. Okay, come, let me show you the display. See, everything is working. Each and everything is clean. We have replaced the original display of this. So let it be any of the devices. Each and every Apple product service we do, like let it be phone, tablets, MacBook or whatever, please come to us. We will give you a best service.